You need to listen more and focus on the small details. If you focus on the small details, we can begin to improve other aspects of your English language. For example, you first need to correct the correct pronunciation of the. The tongue is in between the teeth. The. Take your tongue and put it in between your two teeth. The. This is the beginning for your English pronunciation and clarity.
What is the difference between the or the?
There are two different TH sounds. For example, if we say the cup is over there, the TH sound is softer. However, if I say I think, there's more air coming through my mouth and I'm saying it with extra effort. I think the cup is over there. I am the teacher. So there's a slight difference. You need to open your mind and listen more and focus on the small details before you can begin to speak. This is the foundation of the English language. Your English sounds is the foundation. You can't continue to learn better English if you don't correct the foundation and the basic sounds of English so that your pronunciation and clarity will be good when you build a good foundation. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?